Good morning students. Today also we're continuing with the cone and the volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. The first question today is a right circular cone whose height is 4 and the curved surface area is 47.1. A right circular cone whose radius height is 4 centimeter and the curved surface area is 47.1 centimeter square. Find the volume and it is given in a question. Take the value of pi as 3.14. So as we know that the curved surface area is equal to pi rl, which is equal to, so from here we will write r raised to the power 4 plus 25 r raised to the power 2 minus 9 r raised to the power 2 minus 225 is equal to 0. These are the factors. So r square is equal to 9, r is equal to 3 because it cannot be minus. R square is equal to 25, r is equal to minus 25, so which is not possible, therefore value of r will be 3. Now we have to find volume. Volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3, 3.14 by 100. R is 3 into 3 and h is 16. So this is cancelled. So we'll multiply this 3768 divided by 100 centimeter square. So example 2 is the radius and the height of a cone are 5:12. Radius ratio height is 5:12. If the volume is 314, volume is equal to 3.14, so volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equal to 314. So 1 upon 3 pi 3.14 by 100, r is 5x into 5x into 12x is equal to 314. X cube is equal to 314 into 3 into 100 by 314 into 5 into 5 into 12. This is cancelled with 4. This is cancelled, is 1. X is equal to 1. Radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Then height is equal to 12 centimeter. Slant height is 5 square plus 12 square under the root 169 is equal to 13 centimeter. Example number 3. Example number 3 is determine the volume of conical tin. Find the volume of conical tin whose radius of base is 30 centimeter and slant height is 50 centimeter, and find the total surface area. So we have to find the total surface area, that is pi rl plus pi r square. So we have everything with us. and we need the volume also, that is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So h will be 50 square minus 30 square under the root. H will be equal to 2500 minus 900 square. H is equal to 1600. H is equal to 40. So now whatever we want to find, if we want to find volume, 1 upon 3 pi, value of pi, it's given 3.14 by 100 pi r square. R means 30 into 30 and H is equal to 40. So the volume comes to 37,680 centimeters square. Total surface area. Total surface area is pi r L plus pi r square. Pi r is common, L plus r. Pi 3.14 by 100, r 30, L 50 plus 30. So 3.14 by 100 into 30 into 80. So the answer will be 7536 centimeter square. Example number 4. Example number 4 is a conical tent of a radius 7 and a vertical height is 4.5. This is a tent and radius of tent is 7 meter and vertical height means height is 4.5 meter. Is 4.5 meter. How many full bag of rice can be emptied? How many full bags of rice can be emptied if one volume of one bag is 1.5 meter cube. So before that we have to find the volume of tent. Volume of tent is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 45 by 10, which will comes to 231 meter cube. This is 7, this is 7, this is 3, this is 15, and this is 11, and this is 5, and this is 3. 21 into 11, 231. So volume of each bag is 1.5 meter cube. Number of bags will be equal to 231.1.5, which will give you 154 bags. Right. Next question is example number 5 is the conical tent whose area of base pi r square is equal to 154, curve surface area pi r L is equal to 550 meter square. Find the volume. Find volume. So pi r square is equal to 154. So 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. R square is equal to 154 into 7 by 22. This is 7. R is equal to 7 meter. Now pi r L is equal to 550. 22 by 7 into 7 into L is equal to 550. So L is equal to 550 by 22. So L is equal to 25. We have to find volume, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So h will be L square minus R square under the root. So h is equal to 25 square minus 7 square under the root. So h is equal to 625 minus 49 is equal to 576. So h is equal to 24. So volume will be equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7 into 24. So 7 is cancelled, this is cancelled with 8. So the answer comes to 1232 meter cube. That is our answer, right? Another sum is question number 6. Question number 6 is radius and height of cone are 3:4. Radius ratio height is 3:4, meaning by radius is 3x, height is 4x. The volume is 301.44 centimeter cube. What is the radius and slant height? Find radius and slant height. First of all, given to us is the volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equal to 301.44 centimeter cube. So 1 upon 3 pi 22 by 7 r 3x into 3x into 4x is equal to 30144 by 100. X cube is equal to 30144 by 100 into 7 into 3 by 22 into 3 into 3 into 4. When you cut this, so it comes to r cube is equal to 215.8036. So approximately r will be 6 centimeter because it is cube of 260. So height of cone, height will be 4x, 6 into 4, 24. Okay, that is that comes to approximately 7.9256, approximate 8, so it will be 2. So radius will be 3 into 2 6, height will be 4 into 2 8, slant height will be 8 square plus 6 square under the root is equal to 10. And the last question in this segment is, when we have a semicircular thin sheet, we have a sheet like this, when we fold it, it makes a cone, right? This slant height, this radius is 14, that will become the slant height. That will become the slant height 14, and this part, that is the circumference, that is pi r, will become the circumference of this 2 pi r. So it will be pi is cancelled, radius of this is 14 by 2 is equal to r is equal to 7. The radius of this will be 7. We have to find the capacity. Capacity means volume, means 1 upon 3 pi r square h. H will be 14 square minus 7 square under the root. So that will be 147 under root, which will be equal to 12.12 centimeter. So the volume will be 1 upon 3 pi r. R is 7 into 7 into 12.12. So this is cancelled. This is 4.04. So we multiply, so it will be 622.16 centimeter square.